Hello everyone, and welcome to my very first driving experience with this car. This is a 1979, or probably so, 1979 Toyota AE70. Of course, you can see it's been modified quite a lot, such as the bull bar at the back, the hood, and yes, you can definitely tell it's the obvious, isn't it? I mean, that is the AE86 Truno head, but it's actually not. Yes, the obvious difference that you can tell is obviously the face. The face is already converted. Yes, it's a AE86 convert, but the body from the back and the middle is all AE70. It's all AE70. Yes, it's kind of unique, but this car is not really for what you say, do it for its uniqueness or anything. This is a car more for drift. It's a drift car. Yes, it's a drift car. See, bucket seat, steering wheel, e-brake. The things that's been done to this car has been a lot being changed actually. LSD at the back, angles, a bit of angle from the front, a bit of the roll cage, some of the parts inside the engine. This engine just got rebuilt actually, a very recent rebuild. Of course, it has a turbo on it. It's not a 20 valve, it's a 16 valve. Let me just, let's open it up. You got a turbo on, 16 valve, supercharged 4AG ZE supercharged engine. But of course, the supercharger has been taken out and replaced with a turbo. The turbo came from a CA18 DET turbo. Yes, it used to come from a Nissan 180SX. That's right, the Silvia. All right, let's not talk too much about here and move on. Come to the back. Yes, it's using 13-inch wheel because the 13-inch wheel, according to the owner, it spins faster, so it's easier to spin, easier to drift. Front, you have 15-inch for the grip tire in front. Anyway, this is a driving experience. Without further ado, let's drive. Put seatbelt on. Right. Hear that? Hear that? There you go. That's anti-lap. But because this is just a driving experience, we don't need that. So off that and we go. I'm sorry about all the mess in here because one, I just finished work and the owner just passed me the key and just say, oh, there you go, go and have fun. So yeah, the mess is there, so I just let it be. Right. Of course, this, let me just get on the road safely first. Of course, I'm not gonna drift in this video yet because on public roads, we still can't really drift. So drifting part will have to wait for now and we'll see in the future. Yeah. So far, you can tell I raised my voice partly because it's quite loud in here. There's no insulation whatsoever. Oh, and also all of the vibration that you can feel from the road is directly to my back. There's no insulation. This is just pure and raw driving experience. The funny thing about this kind of car is that it reminds you of the raw driving experience that people used to feel. I'll take it faster when I'm on the road. And boy oh boy, why did I chose this road? This road has a lot of bumps, uneven surface, and also potholes. I mean, potholes used to be potholes. Wow. But other than that, I feel quite comfortable in here actually. As in comfortable as in, it's a good sitting position. It's not too low, it's not too high. Fits me well. Right, let me just give a little bit of boost. Never gets old. The raw feeling when the boost kicks in. Yeah, of course it's just around 1 bar, and yes, this car only makes around, if I am not mistaken, from what I can remember correctly, 209 horsepower. Real horsepower, by the way. And the torque, I forget about the torque figure. I think it's around 230, 230 or something like that. Yeah, it's not making a lot, but consider the fact that this car weighs only around 1 ton, 1000 kg. So yeah, it's a very light car with 200 horsepower. It's fast. It's actually fast. Second gear. Oh, traffic coming. Alright, let's give it another go after the bridge. Can come out and drive this car, partly because it's been raining for the past few days and it's a drift car. I can't do that kind of boost run in a wet surface road. So yeah, finally it's dry. The whole place is dry. before we go. So I hope you enjoy that. It was enjoyable for me. Just gonna drive normally now. All the traffic on the road. Right, since we don't have open road now, so I hope you enjoyed that. And also I will bring more content on other cars, I review the driving experience, something like this, some video like this, and also a bit, or maybe we'll see when we can do it, some drift videos. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.